So, good afternoon, all. We have started recursion in the last lecture, which is in the application of stack. So, is my PPT is visible to you all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Let me share my screen. So now is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in last class we have started the application of stack. Okay, and we have seen like we need to cover these many applications, and out of which we have started recursion. So can anybody tell me what is the recursion? Anybody? What is the recursion?
Function calling itself.
Function calling itself is called a recursion. Okay, good. How many different kinds of recursions are there? Abhishek Singh. Abhishek Singh. Aditi Bansal.
Yes, sir.
How many different kinds of recursions are there?
So, no.
You don't know? You were not there in the last class?
Um,
Anyone else? How many different kinds of recursions are there?
Sir,
the
two
two
types.
types.
Sir, two types.
Name them.
Direct, indirect.
Direct and indirect.
Direct.
Direct and indirect. Okay. So direct and indirect, and then some other categories are also there like linear and multiple. We have seen that also, and we have also seen the different ways how to like represent the what is direct representation, what is indirect representation. We have seen. I'm just revising the slide so that your like concepts again आपके वापस से brush up हो जाएंगे. Okay. So now linear versus multiple is also there. So linear is one. Then binary could be where two recursive calls are there of the same function, and then multiple it means there may be more than two, or like it could like with this. Okay, examples we have also seen in linear. In the case of linear, we can see the example of sum of an array elements. We have seen the algorithm also. In the case of multiple, there could be binary search, Fibonacci series, and so on, factorial of a number, and so on, etc. Then we have seen some rules of recursion also. There must be a base condition, and the every time calling function value of variable should move towards a base condition. So that was some of the rules that we need to follow while we are using the recursion. So is it okay to you? Any doubt till now? Yes or no?
No, sir. No,
For
sir. No,
example,
sir.
we have seen find the sum of array elements of an array using recursion. We have seen what is the called function, what is calling function. Also, we have seen like somehow we try to understand that how this recursion is being executed. Like how firstly some A4 will get executed, then how some A3 will get executed, and so on. I think that we have covered. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, should we move ahead now? We are actually moving to the first, like that is factorial. Another example, factorial of a given number. Can anybody tell me what is the factorial of an number? How you can define the factorial of a number?
N into n minus 1, sir.
That's it. It means factorial of 5 is 5 into 4.
Sir,
n into
sir, n
n
into
minus
n minus
n
1,
into
n
n
minus 2
minus
up to
1
1.
factorial.
So, yeah, continuous.
N into n minus 1 factorial.
yes sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
if I'm talking about the factorial of 5, then what it will be?
5 into 4
5
into
into
3
4
into 2
into
into
3
1.
2 into
2 into 1. Good. 5 into 4 into, like if I'm talking about the factorial 3, then it will be 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So if I'm talking about the factorial of n, it will be actually n into n minus 1
N minus
up
1, n
to
minus 2 up to
1
1.
into n
1.
minus 2
Up to 1.
up to 3 into 2 into 1. So we are decreasing the values till 1. Is it okay? Everyone is clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Or we can define recursively as n into n
N
minus
minus 1
1.
factorial.
Yes, we can recursively define as n into n minus 1 factorial. Is it okay?
सर अगर n की वैल्यू नेगेटिव
So
हुई तो
that is what we are going to use. क्या हुआ?
सर अगर n की वैल्यू नेगेटिव हुई तो
No, negative factorial cannot be calculated.
ओके सर
Is it okay how n factorial is equals to n into n minus 1 factorial? This is what?
n not equal
This is nothing but
एक और कंडीशन है n not equals to 0
yes. Like n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. So this property we are going to use in order to write the factorial program in recursive form. Okay? Yes or no? Like number of 1 factorial can be described in the factorial of some another number. That is what the recursion means. Number of factorial 5, like suppose now I am going to write the factorial 5. Factorial 5 could be 5 into
5 into
factorial
4
4.
factorial.
Yeah, so one factorial of one number can be described in the factorial of another number. So in this way we are going to use the recursion in this case. Yes, sir. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? Yes or no? Or we can move ahead.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So now let me tell you, like, can anybody tell me the, like, what should I say? A non-factorial function for non-recursive function for the factorial. Can anybody tell me the non-recursive factorial function?
Sir, for loop, and we'll run for loop up
Yes,
to
using
n.
for loop. Yes, definitely using for loop. Suppose you need to write the factorial of n, then what you will do using for loop? Can anybody tell me? For I equals to 1 to I less than or equals to, or I equals to 5, we can say I is greater than or equals to 1 and I minus minus, and here I can write, is it visible?
yes sir now visible
For I equals to 5, say I am going to find out the factorial 5, then what now I need to do? Tell me. Tell me fast. Can anybody tell me what could be the statement for this factorial, finding factorial?
F
Sir,
equals
we have
5
to
into
initialize f, then f equals to f times I.
a
Sorry, be loud.
Sir,
F
f
equals
equals
to
to
f
f
times
into
I.
F into I. F into Y. F equals to F
But
into
f should be 1.
F is equals to f into
Yes.
I.
I.
And what could be the value of f?
1.
1.
It should be
Initially,
initialized with 1.
initially f should be
Should be 1. Yes, sir.
1.
This is okay. That is what the non-recursive form of finding factorial. Okay, everyone, yes or no? It could be generalized as using n too. n से भी इसको generalize कर सकते हैं हम लोग. So that is for what? This is non-recursive form of finding factorial. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in
Yes,
this?
sir.
Anybody has any doubt in this? Abhishek
no sir
Varashar.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
Sir, actually, I've joined late. I've joined just 1 or 2 minutes before.
So we are talking about like non-recursive function of finding factorial. Do you know what is a factorial?
Yes, sir.
So factorial, to identify the factorial, is it okay to write this kind of code for finding a number's factorial?
So the code is not on the screen.
Okay, let it. This is the code.
N equals to 1. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The code is somewhere. According to me, it's right.
सर सर वन एफ इसमें सर एक ही वैल्यू जाएगी, केवल एक ही, हमेशा एक आंसर एक ही आएगा इसका, क्योंकि सर एफ इंटू 1 है तो 1 की वैल्यू इनिशियली 1 है, 1 करेंगे तो 1 इंटू 1 1 ही तो जा रहा है, फिर एफ की वैल्यू इंक्रीज ही नहीं हो रही.
अरे वो f into I है.
F into
सर गए
मैंने डाउट कैसे पूछा, सर चले गए.
अरे कोड गलत है शायद, कुछ गड़बड़ है इसमें.
रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है.
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है.
Is my screen visible?
तो सर अभी तो कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा.
नो सर.
Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
नो सर.
नो सर कुछ भी नहीं है.
What happened here?
सर नेट नहीं आ रहा होगा सर.